Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I'm a content creator. Today, I have come here in this place with a view to making a good video and what is happening outside and what about today's atmosphere, like today's weather. Okay, so I am walking on this grassy dirt road and holding a mobile with my right hand, and at the same time I am making a video. Okay, I'm going to show you many things. Just get into the video till the end. Okay, so let's see, have a look. At first, behind me you can see in the distance, or you can say far away, some farmer are planting small rice seedlings, and you can say I think some farmers are harrowing the field. Harrowing, that means mui dewa. And in my opinion, the farmers have been harrowing the field since morning. Okay, and have a look. The sky is totally clear. The sun is clearly visible right now. This is sunny day. You can say this is called sunny day. And have a look. Right over there are so many trees. All the trees are swaying in the cold wind, and I think a cold wind is blowing all around. Okay, and have a look a little bit ahead, like there is a duck. Okay, a few minutes ago, the duck was quacking a lot. Okay, so in this morning, I was late to arrive this place, and I haven't taken my breakfast. Okay, so at first I wanted to go outside. So what is happening outside? Okay, and I can hear a sound like a bird is chirping a lot. Okay, and I think the today will be a good day for everyone. The environment is really amazing, and in this morning I had a good news. I got a good news that the cow has given birth to a calf. Okay, so I think you are enjoying this video, and you are watching, you keep watching this video. So till then, take care, keep practicing, have fun. Assalamu alaikum.